How to scan QR code on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code on WhatsApp quickly and easily, whether it's for adding contacts or linking devices. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and here once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings, and after that you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here you can simply tap on the QR code icon which can be seen beside your profile name. So simply tap on it, and here once you tap on it, it will take you to the QR code section. Now here at the top left side, you can see your code, and here if you tap on the top right side which says scan code, then you'll be prompted to your QR scanner. So here once you have opened it, you can point your phone camera at the QR code you want to scan, and WhatsApp will automatically detect it and either it add a contact, a link your account to WhatsApp, web or desktop. So here you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to confirm adding the contact or linking your devices. And that's it. That's how you can scan QR code on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.